Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun spring succulent wall garden DIY using the succulents from the Dollar Tree. And I'm using a bin that I got at Target Dollar Spot on clearance, but you could also use some of the Dollar Tree boxes. They would be really easy to glue together to get this kind of thing, or you could do a smaller version in that box there that I showed you. The first thing I'm going to do is fill it up with some floral foam. I'm just using some screw wrap pieces that I have, things that are going to be small enough to kind of fill this up, but give me enough room to be able to put those Dollar Tree succulents in there. And I want to hang this on the wall, and I want to make it look like, succulents are growing out of it. Of course, they're going to be faux succulents. So I do have to glue the foam down since it's going to be on the wall, right? So that everything doesn't fall out. So I just glue all my individual pieces right where I want them. And now we can start building this out. This box itself says Christmas trees on the top, but you're not really going to be able to see it because I'm going to hang it on the wall, but you could always paint the outside of yours too, or I really like the wood look too. Since I'm going to be hanging mine, I have to attach a hanger. I just have a sawtooth hanger that I got at the hardware store. Sometimes I save them off the Dollar Tree canvases as well. They work really well to just put in there to make a hanger, and now that that is done, we can start putting it together. I love all the different succulents that are available from Dollar Tree. They come in different shapes and sizes though. So some of these have stems, which I trimmed down to make them shorter. Some of them are wired. Some of them come in little pots, and some of them have clips on them. So depending on how I got them, depend on how I attached them. But if they didn't have a stem to put down in the foam, I would just use some hot glue. But what I wanted was a lot of variety in color. I use these Dollar Tree succulents in lots of projects, so I already had lots of them to begin with, and then I added new ones too. But I love the combinations of the greens, the blues, the yellows for spring. I think it looks really cool. Of course, if you were feeling really ambitious, I guess you could do this with some real succulents as well. And just filling them all up. So I glued a few of them back together. I think 2 to 3 in each one is a good amount. And then to cover the foam where you can't see anything, I'm just using some of the Dollar Tree Spanish moss to fill in any of those areas. And it gives it that kind of garden feel too. I'm going to hang this on in my entryway for spring, and I think it looks so fun. It was really a fun DIY to put together. This is how it turned out. And if you would like more spring Dollar Tree DIYs, you should check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.